Alright, so today I just want to record a short video to record my findings, to solidify my findings of the market so far. So here we see a bullish trend starting, right? Bullish trend started here. It keeps going. The fractal, the pullbacks, this keeps happening right here. I started thinking that the trend is over, but trend, like the saying goes, the trend is likely to continue. So we made another leg up. Although you can think of it as the first sign of weakness. This was the first sign of weakness, right? Here, it was really just absorbing all of these pullbacks, right? It was making next leg up confidently. Here, we see a bit of a delay. We see that it's actually more stretched in time, right? The pullback is much more stretched in time. Here, we see another angle, very high angle. And then here, we see how it actually starts going indecisive, right? Then the next pullback was actually much bigger and much stronger than the previous pullbacks, right? So technically speaking, I believe this bullish trend only had three good pullbacks, three quickly absorbed pullbacks, 1, 2, 3. Then this one was the first sign of weakness. This, the bigger pullback, was the second sign of weakness. And finally, this is the finding that I had. It's the engulfing part. This is what I actually didn't see yet personally. Well, this is what I was reading in the book, right? Engulfing. Engulfing means the fractal is broken. The previous support is broken now, right? It's no longer making a new higher. So the structure of the market is fundamentally different now. So this bullish run is over because the bears finally engulf it. They finally absorb it, all of the demand. And now the supply is somewhat equalized. Right? And then I made a mistake. I started thinking that it's gonna go down right away. I thought that, okay, this is gonna reverse and it's gonna start falling like here, right? I thought it would look like a mountain, like boom. But instead, the bullish trend was broken. I was right about it. But it didn't go down as I expected. The flat market started. The flat market started here. It lasted for 5 days. And another important thing here is that it never made another new high. So the bulls were clearly losing the battle gradually. The bulls were losing the battle gradually against the bears, right? Here they're making some highs, but it's not a higher high. It's just a high. This is the highest high. This is another high, another high, another high, another high. And then they start making lower highs. And then they just fade away into oblivion, and bulls finally lose the battle, and then it's just starts tanking. It tanked in 1 day. So all of this flat market shows that all of the demand started here was absorbed. The demand was highest here, and then it was absorbed gradually over the course of 5 days. And, well, after that, after all of the demand was absorbed, the supply won, the bears won, and then they started just dropping the bulls down. Amazing, amazing. Now I start to see it myself. One mistake I made here is that I assumed it could go down right here, right? But it didn't. It just started going sideways, which is what happens very often.